Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, it's very hot and summer is going on and we want to energize ourselves. So I come back with another recipe. It take only 5 minutes and you will get a good drink. So I come with Ruah Afza lassi. It's very easy and tasty, delicious, and I made within 5
So
minutes.
friends, it take only
So
4 ingredients. As you can see, full cream milk, Ruah Afza, yogurt and sugar. With just only 4 ingredients and your lassi is ready. Let's start the preparation. So friends, as you can see, I take 1 cup of yogurt, half cup of milk, 1/3 cup of Ruah Afza and 1/4 cup of sugar. So let's start the process. So friends, I'm adding this yogurt, 1 cup, milk, Ruah Afza, and sugar. So let's blend this one. So friends, I'm blending, as you can see. Sugar intake you can take as per your requirement, and Ruah Afza intake as per your requirement you can take. Okay? After blending, this is the result. Our lassi is ready. Now it's time to garnish our lassi. This is our glasses. I coated with Ruah Afza under the glass. So it's time to add Ruah Afza in it and garnish with dry fruits and ice cream. Let's start it.
So friends, our lassi is ready. You can see it's very yummy and delicious. I garnished with almond, cashew and some ice cream on the top. It's look amazing. So it takes less than 5 minutes to make and you will get a very nice and delicious drink. Hope you like my video. So please friends, do like, share and subscribe my channel. I will come with more videos.